Troubles are not eternal. The word of the Lord teaches that every suffering, hallelujah, every trials and hardship we experience from time to time have an expirational date that is stamped on them by the blood of the Lamb. The blood has put 420 years. The blood has stamped 12 years. The blood has stamped 38 years. The blood has stamped 4 days. And when the blood do it, is because Jesus knew in that time, duration of time, I'm going to show up in Egypt. He know in that duration of time, He's going to show up in Gadarene, where the woman with the issue of blood were. He knew in that duration of time, He was going to show up at Lazarus's grave. So the blood stamped it and said, I got an appointment with that situation over in Bethany. I got an appointment over in Egypt, and I'm going to stretch out my mighty hand and I will deliver. And He said, Israel, hold on in Egypt, because the Lamb is coming. Hold on in your Egypt. Jesus have an appointment to turn your life around, to turn your disgrace, to turn your story into a testimony. Somebody say expirational date has been stamped on every trouble in your life. Somebody says sing praises. Somebody says sing praises. Somebody says sing praises. Can I get a church that will say sing praises? Sing praises unto God. Sing praises. When trouble in your life, what do? Sing praise unto God, because God said it soon be expired.